Hello, and how can I support you today? I'm one of the animated IT guys over at logicaladmin.com. Have you ever wondered, do I have a virus on my computer or phone? Well, today we're going to walk you through the most common signs of a virus and how to check your device for infections. Let's dive in. Signs you might have a virus. Let's start with the warning signs. These can vary depending on your device, computer, or phone. On a computer, especially Windows or Mac, you might notice slow performance, pop-up ads, even when you're not browsing, crashes, freezing, or the dreaded blue screen, programs opening or closing by themselves, unfamiliar apps suddenly appearing, your browser homepage changing without permission, or your antivirus turning itself off. These are all not good signs. On a smartphone, look out for your battery draining much faster than usual, mysterious spikes in your mobile data usage, weird apps that you don't remember installing, pop-ups or ads appearing out of nowhere, your phone running hot even when you're not using it, or apps constantly crashing. If you're experiencing a few of these issues, it's time to investigate. How to check for a virus on Windows. First, open Windows Security. Just go to Settings, then Update and Security, and choose Virus and Threat Protection. You can also download trusted antivirus programs like Malwarebytes, Avast, or Bitdefender. Want to dig deeper? Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to check for any unusual background processes. On a Mac, open Activity Monitor to see what's using up your system resources. And again, trusted tools like Malwarebytes for Mac or Avast Security for Mac can help scan for threats. While viruses on Macs are rare, adware and browser hijackers are out there. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, and look for anything unfamiliar. You can also install security apps like Bitdefender, Kaspersky Mobile, or Malwarebytes for Android. For troubleshooting, you can boot into Safe Mode to disable all third-party apps. On iPhones, TCTO, iPhones are generally secure, but things like jailbreaking or shady configuration profiles can open them up to threats. Check for strange VPNs or device management profiles under Settings greater than General, greater than VPN, and Device Management. If you're unsure, a factory reset is often the cleanest solution. What to do if you're infected? So, what should you do if you think your device is infected? First, disconnect from the internet. This can stop malware from spreading or sending out your data. Then, run a full virus scan using your security software. Quarantine or delete anything it flags. Uninstall suspicious apps or browser extensions. If problems continue, consider doing a full system reset or reinstalling the operating system. And don't forget to change your passwords, especially for banking or sensitive accounts. Viruses can be sneaky, but the sooner you catch them, the better. Keep your software updated, avoid sketchy downloads, and always have antivirus protection running. If you're seeing weird behavior on your device and aren't sure what's going on, feel free to contact us by simply calling Logical Admin at 404-902-0000 or email helpdesk@logicaladmin.com, and a support rep will gladly help you. We are located right here in the US, so you know you'll get the highest quality of technical support. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.